Okay, here we go. This is Misty's first day. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, I'm sorry. And here we have Misty, Nala, and Opie. It's about 8:15. They just all met. First of all, we introduced Misty to Nala. That's Misty. And now we just introduced her to Opie. This is her first day. And our mission is to wear out Misty and give her lots to think about so she's a good girl at home. Hi, Opie. Hi, Misty. I know. Boy, it's going to be a hot one today, honey. It's all ready.
Yeah, you have to get out of the sun.
Yeah. Okay.